Welcome to our head massage today. It was not easy to find this guy because nobody here wants to offer head massage. But I found this guy, he's very good actually. Let's get started, let's get started. Oh, this is just the upwarming. This is just the upwarming. He's doing this a lot, like in 2 minutes, the same moves. Just relax, relax, relax. Close your eyes, enjoy. I don't know if he's punishing me or he's trying to get his money by hard work. I try to relax, but I don't know. It's first time for me to get head massage. Come on, a lot of water is free. Okay. Let's see what he's offering. He's actually very good at this, doing a Pakistani head massage. I know it's very famous in Karachi and all this. Let's see if he's doing good or he's punishing me. This is like punishment by Tyson. Still upwarming. We haven't been to the real head. Now it is beginning. Okay, wow, the champion of the world in my head massage is doing some excellent work here. This is great. Crush the head. Enhance my IQ this way. This is relaxing actually, very relaxing. Wow. This is very relaxing. MashaAllah, great job. Yes, it is. The stress and tiredness of all week has gone now. He knows what he's doing. This guy is actually very good at this. Relax, my friend. He's knowing exactly what he's doing. Experienced guy. Okay, this is also very, very beautiful work he's doing there. This is the real massage. Now we have passed the upwarming phase and now this is the real massage.
ये क्यों नहीं करते इधर यार? उम्र का काम करते हैं। अरे यार ये भी उम्र 4 बच्चों के साथ उम्र फुल फ्रेश। जब खांजे वक्त ज़्यादा हेड मसाज कार वाह फुल फ्रेश मियाँ बिल मियाँ बिस्मिल्लाह संग सुज़दा कार जब शकार है ओके।
This guy deserves to get some tip. I will give him 20 riyal for tip. I don't know how much dollar it is. Great job.
हाँ भाई, ओ भाई, मेरे पास छोटा नहीं था तो मुझे 50 दे दो। मुझ भाई उसने बोला आपके साथ स्पेशल बात करो। मुचू भाई किधर से? मुल्तान से। ओके जी, ठीक हो गया। अल्लाह हाफिज़, सलाम अलैकुम। श्रद्धा कार मुसू सर।